Have you ever wondered why some entrepreneurs seem to effortlessly attract success while others struggle? Could it be that these successful individuals have decoded a secret formula, or is there something more metaphysical at play? Today we'll delve into the intriguing concept of the law of attraction and its potential role in business success. Firstly, a brief introduction. The law of attraction posits that our thoughts, both conscious and unconscious, influence our lives. In essence, like attracts like. Positive thoughts supposedly attract positive experiences, while negative ones bring about undesirable outcomes. Consider the story of Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks. He grew up in a poor neighborhood, yet he envisioned a successful future for himself. He firmly believed in his ability to transcend his circumstances, and his unwavering faith eventually led him to create one of the most successful coffee chains in the world. Then there's the example of Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx. With only $5,000 to her name and no background in fashion or business, she built a billion-dollar empire. She attributes her success to her positive mindset and unwavering belief in her product. And who could forget Jack Ma, the co-founder of Alibaba? Despite facing numerous rejections and failures, he remained optimistic. He believed in his vision and attracted success through his positive mindset. So how can you apply the law of attraction in your business journey? It begins with cultivating a positive mindset. Believe in your ability to succeed, and you'll start attracting opportunities that align with your goals. Next, visualize your success. Imagine your business reaching new heights, gaining recognition, and making a difference. This mental picture serves as a beacon, guiding your actions towards your desired outcome. Additionally, express gratitude for what you have and what you will achieve. This practice keeps you grounded and attracts more things to be thankful for. Lastly, be patient and persistent. The law of attraction isn't a magic wand that conjures instant success. It's a mindset that requires consistency and time to manifest. In summary, the law of attraction suggests that a positive mindset, visualization, gratitude, patience, and persistence can attract business success. The stories of Howard Schultz, Sara Blakely, and Jack Ma demonstrate the potential effectiveness of this concept. However, it's important to remember that the law of attraction isn't a surefire recipe for success. It's a tool that, when combined with hard work and smart strategies, can potentially shape your business journey. So why not give it a try? You might just attract the success you've been dreaming of. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the intriguing intersection of the law of attraction and business success. Until next time, keep cultivating that positive mindset and watch how your world transforms.